Hello students, today we will be discussing a previous year question from Public Service Values and Ethics in Public Administration. So this is a question from UPSC 2025. Let's read the question. Constitutional morality is not a natural sentiment but a product of civil education and adherence of rule of law. Now a lot of time UPSC will ask certain questions where your knowledge from other subjects will also matter. So now here not just from an ethical point of view, you need to have a proper knowledge from polity also. What is rule of law? What is constitutional morality? And then writing it in a way that is relevant to GS4 question. Examine the significance of constitutional morality for public servant, highlighting the role of promoting good governance and ensuring accountability in public administration. So now you have to write about constitutional morality. You can discuss, define it. Then the body of the answer will have two parts where you will discuss what is its role in promoting good governance. Second part, accountability, because these are two different things. You cannot merge good governance and accountability. Accountability is important for good governance, but because two specific terms have been given, it's better to discuss them in a divided form. Now here first you will write down about constitutional morality, that the idea of constitutional morality emphasized by Dr. Ambedkar refers to adherence of not just to the text of the constitution but the values of right and wrong. Morality is about what is right, what is wrong. So it's not just set of rules and regulation, do's and don'ts, but also a book, a document which tells us what is morally right, what is morally wrong. That is very important, right? And that is why we have fundamental rights, we have DPSPs also, right? DPSPs are not justifiable, but again, if the government has enough resources, your policy, your law should go in that direction. They should be made justiciable. Now, constitutional morality stands for commitment to constitutional values over personal social biases, focuses on ethical intent going beyond the legality, like I told you, right? So very briefly talk about constitutional morality. The next is you will write down significance for the public servants, right? Ensures impartial, non-discriminatory governance, because there are a lot of paths to this question. Just write very crisp and concise points. It upholds rule of law. You don't have to explain what is rule of law because this is not a political question. Then it promotes ethical decision making. You take decisions which are ethically sound. It's not based on my preference, it is not based on what I like, but what is actually right. It gives you a direction, shapes your actions, your choices, your behavior. Then it promotes fundamental rights, protects them, right? Protects the rights of the people, of the weaker section, of the vulnerable section, right? So this part, and then next part, how it is promoting good governance, right? It promotes transparency, it promotes accountability when your morality lies in the constitutional values, not morality in religion, not in your culture, but constitution. Responsiveness, you're more responsive to the needs of the citizen. The administration becomes citizen-centric. Then there is more inclusiveness, sabka saath, sabka vikas, and more equity. Equity is removing barriers, giving everyone an equal start. Then strengthening institutional integrity. Now here your question has discussed everything which has been asked, and at the end you will summarize it as usual, that constitutional morality acts as an ethical compass of public service, ensuring that governance is not merely rule bound but also a value driver. And that is how you complete your answer, justifying all the points which is given in the question, right? Crisp and concise form, not going beyond 150 words. If you want to know more about such frameworks, you can join our upcoming mains program. All the details about your mission mains program, your strategic revision program will be there in the description box. And in case you want to know about other model answers of other questions, you can go through our book. Again, the link is there in the description box. Thank you so much.